Actually, film background coming from the some heroines also telling the I'm facing for the casting couch. Actually, big stars daughters also facing the casting couch problems. But you are telling is no there.
I see. First of all, I've just started. Okay, I mean this is like my second movie in South, so I've just started, and apart from that, I have no idea. I don't know why, but people don't ask me, and which is good because I've always got see. I told you this movie. They approached me after seeing me. I was doing a show in Jaipur. Okay, and the second movie it was via reference, some mouth publicity. Even one movie now, which I just like 3 days back, I shot for something in Bangalore. And day before yesterday, I got finalized for one Kannada movie because the DOP sir referred me that this girl is amazing. She looks good on screen. And even after 12 hour shift, now there were other few artists who were creating little scene on set. So, but I was the one who I guess who worked like for 16 hours straight because I had no issues. I love working on set. I love being on set. I was all thorough with my lines. So people do see all this thing. That's why that is the reason, DOP sir referred me and they also met me and they saw my profile. And mostly I'm just waiting for the agreement, but verbally it has been finalized. So I think one should just put their best foot forward and rest God will take care. That's what I feel.
Okay.
And I feel that I'm lucky and that's why maybe good things happen to me. It's manifestation or I don't know.
Okay, which language you are comfortable like a favorite like a South and Telugu or Tamil?
See, Telugu, I actually did one movie, my movie is released. So I love Telugu. Okay, Kuncham Kuncham.
Which?
Okay. Now Kannada also I did certain shoot. So that was also pretty comfortable because I am good in adapting with the languages. I was quite an intelligent girl in school. I was a scholar. Yeah, that's why I'm quite fluent in Hindi, English, and now I'm getting my hands on different languages. So it's easy for me. And plus, I put a lot of hard work just before going on the set because I don't like to, that I don't know. I'm not like that. Like director told me that he can do prompting, but I am myself, I just write all the dialogues
Oh,
in English
you are
with the
writing Telugu dialogues also?
no Telugu script they give. Then I write it in like what is the pronunciation according to the pronunciation I write it in English, and the third line is about the meaning. So before going on the set, I'm well aware how I have to pronounce the dialogue and what is the meaning. So it doesn't affect my expressions also, and I can speak on the time. The
You are
timings.
doing all the homeworks?
I have to do. Of
Okay.
course, there is nobody to back up on me. I take every opportunity like maybe this is the last opportunity or maybe this is the first opportunity which will open my gates to 10 other opportunities, right? You have to put your best foot forward. So that's all I'm doing. I'm just doing my thing. I'm not doing anything extra. I don't think so. At least what I should do, that's what I'm doing. I'm just being fair to myself.
Super, very inspiration. Yeah, they tell me your inspiration.
My inspiration is, see, apart from like family, like in family it's my father because he started with nothing. Of course, like after India Pakistan partition, the grandfather,
Oh,
we were
you
in
were from
India.
coming from Pakistan.
No. After partition, I think
Partition.
all families have just started, na, after
Yes,
that.
yes.
That's how I guess our ancestors are, right? So even my father has taken care of my grandfather, and even my father has taken so well care of me, well, that I have always never felt like I think that I come from a very wealthy family.
A
Actors,
joint family?
no, nuclear. But my father has like three younger brothers and Dadaji also. But he has taken care of all the younger brothers. उनकी शादियां करवाना, दादाजी का ख्याल रखना, हमारे लिए घर बनाना. When in college, people used to like my friends used to travel via metro and all. Every year in the college, I have driven a new car.
Oh,
I swear. I have led a very luxurious life. मुझे अब लगता है, when I stay in hotels, like कभी 5 stars, so we go to sauna, steam, and it's a luxury, and people post that in stories. I have seen that when I was a child. My father goes to a gym where sauna steam was there.
okay.
Yeah. So एक्टर्स माइट से कि हमने इतना स्ट्रगल किया है, मेरे घर वालों के पास कुछ नहीं था. नहीं भाई, मेरे घर वालों ने, वो चाहे
Well
लिमिटेड ही
settled.
था, बट या दे हैव, मेरे को तो बहुत वेल्दी लाइफ मैंने तो जी है, जेन्युइन बात है. मतलब अगर हम गोवा जा रहे हैं, सो ही इज गिविंग अस डिसेंट अमाउंट ऑफ मनी कि अच्छे से ऐश करके रहो. गाड़ी दे रहे हैं वो, चाहे उन्होंने खुद गाड़ी नहीं चलाई, वो कॉलेज नहीं गए
Yes.
बिकॉज ऑफ हिज रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज, बट ही वॉन्टेड कि मेरा बेटा जब कॉलेज जाए तो गाड़ी में जाए. सो ही हैज टेकन वेरी गुड केयर.
Then tell me, you are going to the movies. Then your father feeling in first day. Your
My father actually, when my first Telugu movie Ondala Rakshasi, it got released in theaters. So my mom and dad flew from Delhi to see this, and then he said कि आना वसूल हो गया, because he loved watching me on silver screen. So that was the moment. मैंने कहा इसी दिन के लिए, इस एक लाइन के लिए it inspires me to work harder and make him proud.
In shoot time, any hard situations like an extra takes, any hard situations in for the Padero movie.
Of course it comes. It comes with every actor, every senior actor. You have to do retakes, or maybe, and the challenge is that this language is not our native language.
Yes.
We are learning it. But it is not hard. It is a part of our job, and I think everybody should do it. If it is 2 takes, because sometimes, so many times it happened actually, single take it was, for me, like touchwood, I'm not boasting out myself, at least in Hindi, I'm a 1 take artist, I swear, maximum 2. Every time it has happened. But even sometimes if I have to give 5 or 6, it is okay. It is a part of our job and we have to do it. So even in here, if the director is asking for retakes and all, that is all okay, no? We are here to do this job. Now, if it is not perfect, then what is the use of becoming an actor?
Actually, in Insta, actually 2.8 million some follows is there.
Yeah.
So tell me any silly messages, any
So many.
proposals.
Yeah. So many. That's insane. I love my fans, but it is insane, I swear. I mean,
Just tell me the one silly messages for the fans.
some silly message. Okay, I'll tell you incident only. I was shooting in Bangalore, and I got over with the shoot, and then I posted a story that I am here, like after the production, went for some dinner. So I posted, and I shared the location also. So one of the fans, I mean, he's a fan plus I mean, I don't know, but he is in, he had my number for some event also.
Okay.
But after meeting him, I got to know that he's a fan. He was just, he just wanted to, have my number. So he called me up randomly and he's like, Kriti, you are here? So I was like, yeah, I'm here. I thought that he must have seen me. So of course. So he's like, can you just come out like for 5 minutes? And I'm like, why? So I'll send bodyguards, you come inside. No, 1 o'clock it gets over. He knew an exact time.
Oh.
Okay. So he came at that time and he's like, 1 o'clock it will get over. Anyway, so you will have to come out. So please, I'm waiting. Just come for 2 minutes. And then when I went out, so he had brought such a big bouquet with the cake and everything. And I'm like, what are you doing? Like, you don't need to do all this thing. What will I do with your big bouquet? Right? But that is strange. That is sweet plus strange. Plus I realized that I will not post my location at that time. I mean, it's crazy. Right?
It's a very crazy fan.
Yeah, I mean, desperate. I should not say I love my fans, but it's okay. It was sweet. Yeah.
Then your crush. Please tell me your crush.
My crush. I don't have any as such crush. तो अभी फिलहाल मेरा कोई crush है नहीं. I swear. I want to have a crush on my future boyfriend. Yeah,
Hey,
of
the
course.
diplomat answer.
अरे यार, I like Prabhas sir a lot.
आपका बॉयफ्रेंड है था?
हाँ?
चुप रहता है.
अरे नहीं है,
एक
सच्ची.
क्रिकेटर है सच.
आप मेरा मोबाइल रख लो यहाँ पे. मैं सच आई हैव pictures with actually a few cricketers because we were staying in the same hotel, BCCI and all. But that's why I didn't post even one. Just because कि मैं एक post करूँगी ना, तो people will take his name. And I don't want to be another name like Urvashi and Rishabh Pant controversy की Kriti and so and so.
Yes.
I am not that kind of girl who would like to get that publicity. So I would like to get publicity on the basis of my work. Right?
Right. Yeah. Which genre is your like?
I love rom-com, but I love thriller also. Action is okay for me.
Okay.
Like I love watching action, but I've never been a part of any action movie, so I don't have any experience in that.